Today it's the first Monday in August, and I'm out on a bike ride. I think I'm going to go up to Santiago Creek, up Portola, essentially end of Jamboree. We'll see how that goes. It's a lovely day. Little overcast, keeping the temperatures down.
Take that.
Just off the river trail at the base of Riverview Golf Course, and now out on the street heading to Santa Clara Avenue, which in the spring is known as the Purple Haze Ride with all the Jacaranda trees. Should get a nice canopy of shade though. There's Riverview, and in a couple of blocks we'll be turning right on Santa Clara. What a beautiful street, canopy covering the whole street. Probably makes this place 10 degrees cooler in the summertime compared to exposed. I wonder if it's worth the mess that the jacarandas leave when they drop their flowers. Well, I don't recall ever seeing this. There's a late blooming jacaranda trees. Here it is, August, and there's all these purple flowers on the ground. On Memory Lane, parallel to Santiago Creek Trail, this early section has got lots of tree roots, makes it a very rough ride. Exiting Memory Lane at the Eco Center. They must be releasing a little bit of water from this reservoir at the end of this trail, because it's pretty green down in there and there is water. Well, we'll see if the reservoir is full or if it's getting empty. It's a multi-use trail on the Santiago Creek Trail. It's definitely flowing, looks real nice. Coming up to Grijalva Park. Enjoying a little break at Grijalva Park. From here on out it's going to be pretty exposed and the temperature's going to warm up. Okay, off in the distance you can see chutes on the right. Ridgeline, I think it is. At Santiago Oaks. Looks pretty lush. Irvine Park. Looks like a castle. Now here I am at Irvine Regional Park at the end of Jamboree, which is the site of a Boy Scout Jamboree, hence the name of the road. Came all the way up from the beach to Irvine property up here, and they held the Boy Scout Jamboree at the turn of the 19th, 20th century, a long time ago. I'll look that up, post it in the footnotes below. Lovely park. They've got a zoo, train rides. They've got everything, even a little shade to enjoy. Find out what year they had that Boy Scout Jamboree. Got to be 100 years ago. Coming down Peters Canyon Trail, Going to take a short break at the Barber Sports Complex before we get on the Santiago Creek Trail. Been really lucky with the wind and the weather. It's not that hot. There's a little breeze, keeping things cool. Lovely day. At the bottom of the Peters Canyon Trail, we intersect the Santiago Creek Trail at the Barber Sports Fields. I'm going to take a short break here, eat the rest of my bar, top off my water bottles. On the Santiago Creek Trail, just exiting the Barber Sports Fields. I'm 32 miles, 53.2 kilometers into the ride, and I got about 25 clicks or 15 miles to get home. We'll compare those notes. Passing UC Irvine, paralleling Santiago Creek, coming up to the Back Bay. So I decided to take a more direct route home. Should knock off close to 2 miles. So other than 15 miles, we've about 13 miles or 22.8 kilometers. So it looks like my final distance will be just under 73 kilometers. So it is about 5 kilometers or 3 miles shorter to take that shortcut.